Hello and welcome to the Celoxis Knowledge Series videos. In this video, we'll guide you on how to approve and invoice timesheets. Let's dive in. When you log in, from the left-hand menu, click on Approvals and Approve Time.
You can see all the time entries for your projects waiting for your approval. We can select all these entries and mark them as approved by clicking on this Approve button, or you can look at the time entry details in the weekly timesheet format by clicking the pending time entry. Here you can look at the details of the time entry by clicking on it. Let's pick a few entries and approve them. You can also select the time entries from here and mark them as approved directly by clicking the Approve button. Once done, it will disappear from this list. Once you have approved these time entries, you can invoice them as well. Let's see how. Again, from the LHS menu, navigate to the Approvals tab, Invoice Time, select the time entries you want to invoice. Then you can select Invoice from here. Once done, these time entries will get invoiced.
Thanks for watching. Please refer to our knowledge base for more details.